Have you ever wondered how a luxury product really begins? Not in a showroom, not behind glass, but here, inside a factory where exotic frog skins are transformed into million-dollar luxury items. IT starts early in the morning. The factory is quiet. The air is cool and heavy with moisture. At the loading dock, plastic crates are stacked neatly, each one holding raw frog skins. This is not ordinary material. It is rare, delicate, and extremely valuable. That's why everything here moves with control. Gloved hands slowly unlatch the crates. No roofs, no wastimutio. Inside, the skins are folded carefully, layer by layer, each one different in size, texture, and pattern. At this stage, inspection is everything. Only skins that meet strict standards are allowed to move forward. The next step is washing. Large stainless steel rotates steadily. Water flows continuously. Time, movement, and balance work together to prepare the skins for transformation. Cleaning here is not about speed. It's about precision. After washing, the skins are given time to rest. They're laid flat on mesh racks in a controlled environment. No excess heat, no harsh flow, because one mistake during drying can destroy the entire skin. Now, the real transformation begins. Specialized cleaning machines remove unwanted fibers and uneven edges. Every movement is measured. Every machine works in perfect rhythm. This is where raw material starts becoming refined leather. Next comes massive chrome runs rotate slowly, treating the skins with carefully controlled chemicals. This process gives the leather strength, durability, and long-term stability. It takes days because true luxury is never rushed. After tanning, the skins are dried again. Each one is clipped onto frames, held under precise tension. Here, the final color develops, the texture stabilizes, and the quality level becomes clear. Only the best skins will move on. Now comes softening. Mechanical arms flex the leather repeatedly. Now, then stitching begins. High-precision sewing machines create perfectly even seams. This is where leather becomes a product. Bags, wallets, accessories. Every stitch is a promise of durability. Edges are polished. Wax is applied. Surfaces are refined until smooth and sealed. These small details are what separate ordinary products from luxury ones. Quality inspection is the strictest stage. Under magnification, every surface is examined. Any flaw, no matter how small, means rejection because luxury brands do not compromise. Finally, the finished products stand alone, under studio lights, silent, perfect. This is no longer just frog leather. It is craftsmanship, patience, process, and this is how exotic skins become million-dollar luxury items. Luxury doesn't begin with design. It begins with discipline, far from boutiques and fashion shows. This process starts inside an industrial factory, where exotic frog skins are handled with absolute control. At dawn, the factory comes alive. Cool air hangs over the loading dock. Plastic crates sit stacked on metal pallets, covered in condensation. Inside them lies raw material, worth thousands of dollars per batch. Every crate is logged, every movement recorded, because when materials are rare, mistakes are expensive. Crates are opened slowly. Gloved hands move with intention. The skins inside are folded carefully, protected from unnecessary stress. At this point, nothing is rushed. Each skin is evaluated for thickness, elasticity, and surface integrity. Only a small percentage will qualify as premium grade. Washing begins the transformation. Stainless steel drums rotate at a constant speed. Water flows continuously, removing impurities while preserving structure. This stage determines how the skin will react to every process that follows. Too much movement and the skin weakens. Too little and contaminants remain. Balance is everything. After washing, the skins rest. They are laid flat on mesh racks, allowing moisture to evaporate naturally. Temperature and humidity are tightly controlled. This waiting period may seem simple, but it's one of the most critical steps. Leather remembers stress. Once stabilized, the skins enter precision cleaning machines. Excess tissue is removed. Edges are refined. The goal is uniformity, without damaging organic character. Here, machines do not replace craftsmanship. They support it. Tanning is where value is created. Inside massive chrome drums, the skins absorb carefully formulated solutions. This process binds the fibers, giving the leather strength, flexibility, and resistance to time. Tanning takes days, sometimes weeks, because shortcuts destroy luxury. After tanning, drying resumes. Each skin is CLI. Only the highest quality skins continue. Softening follows. Mechanical arms flex the leather repeatedly, simulating years of natural movement. This process defines how the leather will feel in the final product. Soft, but structured. Supple, but strong. Design is where engineering meets art. Under bright inspection lights, templates are aligned with precision. Every pattern is optimized. Every cut is calculated. Exotic leather allows no waste. Laser-guided cutting machines execute each design with absolute accuracy. Stitching transforms components into products. Industrial sewing machines place each stitch at exact intervals. Even tension, even spacing. Luxury is not visible in one stitch. It's visible in consistency. Edge finishing completes the form. Surfaces are polished. Wax seals the fibers.